How to change email address in TripIt. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can change your email address in TripIt. First of all, launch the application and sign in into your account. Then move to the bottom navigation bar and click on the account icon. Once on your account page, click on your profile name and your email address. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought to your email page. So in order for you to edit your personal information, you can click on the edit option by the top right corner of the personal information tab. Then you can see email addresses. So I only have one email address, which is the personal, the primary email. So in order to change email, you would have to add another email address first of all. I'm just going to do that now. All right. So by adding another email, let's just go ahead to do that. So after adding another email, move to the top right corner, click on the save icon, and then you wait for a while for the email to be verified. Then a confirmation email will be sent to the account. So just go ahead, close your TripIt account, go to your inbox. All right, just go to your inbox and then select the link, then click on confirm email, and then you wait for your account data to be refreshed. Once it has been refreshed, the email has been added successfully to your account. So once this email has been added, go to your bottom right corner again and click on the account page, then click on your profile icon. And so select the email, right? And then you can decide to turn on inbox sync. By doing that, you are giving the email an added advantage. So in order to make this email the primary email address, move to the top right corner of this page and click on the three vertical dots. All right, and so you can see the option remove email address and then make this the primary mail. So select that, and then just like that, your primary mail will be changed from the first email to the second one that you just added. So it is that simple. So this is how you can change email address in TripIt. Thank you for watching and have a good day.